Ever been at a store and wondered about the fastest, easiest way to pay while earning some sweet cash back? Today, we're demystifying the whole process for one of the most popular lifestyle apps, FavePay. Whether you're grabbing coffee, getting a haircut, or treating yourself to dinner, paying with Fave is slick, secure, and smart. Let's dive straight into the 4 simple steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Finding the merchant. Once you're ready to pay at a Fave partner outlet, open your Fave app. At the bottom navigation bar, tap on the Pay icon. It looks like a small dollar or currency symbol. Your app will automatically pull up a list of nearby merchants. If the business you're at isn't showing up immediately, just use the search bar at the top and type their name in. Step 2. Entering the amount. After selecting the correct merchant, you'll be prompted to enter the total bill amount. Double-check the total on your physical receipt and input the exact amount into the app. This is where the magic happens. The app will instantly show you any Fave partner cashback you'll earn on this specific transaction. Step 3. Reviewing and applying discounts. Before hitting confirm, take a moment to review. This screen lets you apply any available discounts. Got a Fave voucher? This is the time to select and use it. You can also choose to use any existing cashback balance you've accumulated to offset the total amount. Make sure your final payment amount is correct. Step 4. Confirming payment. The final step. Choose your preferred payment method, usually a linked credit card, debit card, or even some e-wallets, depending on your region. Once your method is selected, tap the big Pay Now button. You'll hear that satisfying little ding sound, and the merchant will receive a confirmation instantly. You're done. See? It's truly that easy. Paying with FavePay usually takes less time than pulling out cash and waiting for change, plus you get rewards back. Next time you're out, give it a try. Let us know in the comments below if you prefer paying with Fave or another method. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick life hacks. Happy spending!